Hello there and welcome to the Isle of Skye. This is Belfield B&B and this is where I'm staying for the next few days. I have stopped here before. They're dog friendly, so Betsy's welcome here. The kids love Betsy. Beautiful place. The hosts are just fantastic. It's lovely, it's clean, it's comfortable, it's always warm. I love it here, I love it here. We're just outside Portree. And this makes it handy for me because I tend to do a lot of photography up on the north of Skye, as you know, like the Kerrang and the store, and I was in East Point, you know. But yeah, this place is absolutely fantastic. I want to do a little review of it because I think they deserve it. They do a fantastic job here. So this is the building. These are the views you've got. You're going to look into the sun shortly. This is a beautiful day up here. You can just see the Cullen Mountains down the bottom there. Absolutely fantastic place. You can sit out here and the views are just spectacular. You get eagles in the trees over the back. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I'll give you a little tour around. Parking. There's plenty of parking. There's here where I am and round. And I go round and I'll talk you through when we get inside the hallway. There's information there which is always beneficial. And I'll show the room and there's a little lounge as well you can sit in. So join me in a minute and we're going to have a look. So here we are. Let's go in. So over here we have a visitor book. There's a ring doorbell so they can keep an eye coming and going. There's Wi-Fi. Emma's phone number is on there. Little bits of information on Skye. I'll take you through to the lounge area. Lovely. That place is warm in here as well with the sun coming through the windows. Absolutely lovely. Let me just show you the room now that we're staying in. Here is the second room. This is where we stayed last year. Big, massive double bed, as you can see. Beautiful views out the window. The thing you got to remember with, while I'm up here now, we are in November, it's Halloween today, and November is tomorrow, so we have got full autumn colours up here and it looks beautiful. Again, another absolutely massive bathroom. You can have a party in here. Beautiful. So the place is absolutely fantastic, and fridge again, all your teas and coffees and stuff. TV in both rooms, absolutely beautiful. I love staying here. So the room. We have a double bed, we have a single bed, we have a fridge with fresh milk in there, there's the TV. It's a good sized room. I'll show you through to the bathroom. Let me pop the light on in there. Good sized bathroom, big walk-in shower. As you can see, it's spotless and clean apart from all my junk everywhere. Hello. It really is fantastic. Betsy's loving it. Betsy wants to get back outside again. Yeah, fantastic place. And if you're coming to the Isle of Skye and you're looking for somewhere to visit, Belfield B&B, just outside Portree. I'll put a link up here to the Facebook page and I'll drop it in the description below as well, the Facebook page link. Yeah, give them a call. I'll put some drone footage on now as well. Got some nice footage above the property. I'll put a couple of photographs on that I've took while I've been up here, and enjoy. Don't forget, check the description below for the address. Subscribe. We'll do it all again on the next video somewhere, or the next review somewhere. And from me and Betsy, take it easy.